Can you bypass a motorcycle starter relay? If you are facing issues with your motorcycle starting, you might wonder if you can bypass the starter relay. This question is common among riders dealing with electrical problems. The starter relay, also known as a starter solenoid, plays a key role in your motorcycle's electrical system. It acts as a high-current switch, allowing power from the battery to reach the starter motor when you press the start button. Bypassing the starter relay is possible, but it should only be a temporary solution or a diagnostic tool. To do this, you will need to connect the battery directly to the starter motor. This method can help you determine if the relay is faulty or if there is another issue at play. To bypass the starter relay, first, disconnect the smaller control wires from the relay. This step is important to prevent any unintended activation of the starter motor. Next, use a jumper wire or a switch to connect the large battery terminal directly to the starter motor terminal. This direct connection will engage the starter motor immediately, bypassing the relay's control function. While this method can be helpful, there are some precautions to keep in mind. When you bypass the relay, the starter motor will run as long as the jumper wire or switch is connected. This means you need to control it carefully to avoid damaging the starter motor or other components. It is also important not to leave the bypass in place permanently. The starter relay protects your motorcycle's electrical system and prevents excessive current draw, which can lead to further issues. Make sure all connections are secure and insulated to prevent shorts or sparks. This method is best used for diagnosing a no-start condition or temporarily starting your motorcycle if the starter relay or button is not working. If you find that the relay is indeed the problem, it is wise to replace it as soon as possible to restore proper function to your motorcycle. In summary, bypassing a motorcycle starter relay is feasible and can be a useful troubleshooting step. However, it should be approached with caution and used only as a temporary fix while you await a replacement relay or further repairs. Always prioritize safety and ensure your motorcycle's electrical system is in good working order.